Really?
Seems unreal.
Yeah. It's amazing that you can get up so close.
Yeah, I'm not scared.
October, and they've got a really interesting mating position. It all depends on the right leaf. The male will go up to the female and present to her a leaf, and if it's a leaf like this, she'll drop it. But if it's a nice dry leaf like this, she'll accept it, put some feces on it, and then they'll breed, and then they'll pair. So it's quite interesting to watch because sometimes it goes on for a while. How long do you do it for? And if you can see, it's got jet black eyes, and it's because it's a nocturnal feeder. It feeds at night. It's also a seabird, but it doesn't. Yeah, we did. Did you see the plot earlier? We've got signposts that have like groups of pies on trees. Even you can't say male pie and female pie. They're amazing. They'll never pair. Yeah, they're very territorial, so there'll be a dominant male and female in each territory, so they'll just spread out. And they've got the white stripe down the side, and this one here is still looking at brown, which indicates that it's still a juvenile, and once all the brown's disappeared,